Well, shortly after Cole and I got up in the stand and the sun came up, the first group of hogs came in, but unfortunately, the wind was not in our favor. It was actually at our backs. It was swirling pretty bad down in this canyon we were sitting in, and the first group of hogs smelled us, so no sooner than they came in, they were gone. And actually a second group of hogs came in a little while later, and they came in behind us, but Cole couldn't get a shot on those. They did not stick around very long. Just as soon as we saw them coming up out of the creek, a gunshot actually spooked them off, and I barely even was able to get video of them. So Cole started to actually get a little bit cold that morning. The wind was blowing pretty hard, so we decided to get down out of the stand and walk around and just kind of see if we could stock up on some hogs and see if Cole could get a shot. And we actually jumped a pretty nice group that was bedded down, and Cole just couldn't quite get the gun up in time and get a shot off. That was okay. We got back up in the stand and we sat for another couple hours until Keith came and picked us up. Well, after Robert Johnson, his three boys, Cole, and myself all went in and got a bite to eat for lunch, Cole decided he wanted to go back to that same stand we had set up that morning. So we're up in that stand on this next hunt.
We're in the same stand that we were earlier, and we've been up here for about over an hour, and still nothing, and hopefully we'll see something before dark.
Is that a baby Cole Miller? Give me 5.
What a hunt here. Cole and I were up in the stand. We hunted hard all day, and I'll tell you what, this hog just showed up out of nowhere. I just looked down and said, Cole, there's a hog, and he was able to get his gun up real quick. make a shot, made an awesome shot, dropped it on the spot. And did you have fun today?
Yeah.
He had a blast, and I'll tell you what, we were both looking forward to this trip for the last 2 weeks when we booked this hunt. This is actually, folks, Cole Miller's first ever kill, and what a trophy boar. Cole, you're a punk because you've killed a bigger pig than I have now. Congratulations, man. I love it. I love it. We had a blast here at the Riverview Ranch. If you ever get a chance, you got to come out here.